Hello friends, I'm here again with a new video. Today I will tell you about a very nice program that I use all the time and recommend that you use it too. In fact, I can say that I strongly recommend you to use it. The name of our program is Analyzer Tools, friends. What does this program do? This program analyzes the Excel lists that come to us from our meetings in just a few minutes. Since it would take too long for us to manually analyze them one by one, using this program, we analyze them in just a few minutes, and it produces the final products for us. Let's say your meeting sends you an Excel with 1,000 items. These 1,000 products show you which ones are profitable in a few minutes and allow you to focus on those products. It is a paid product, but considering the time it saves, it is a program that is really worth the price. Now I will show you how to do it very briefly. Friends, when you enter Analyzer Tools, click on Knowledge Base here. There are two ways to use it. The first one is Windows. You can use it as a desktop or online. I use it as a desktop. Then, when you click on the Windows Download Credentials and License Key section in the Knowledge Base, it shows you how you should configure the product and the program, that is, how you should connect it with your Amazon account. I won't go into detail about this. It's a very simple process anyway. By the way, it is a very nice program that works in both the European and North American markets. Now, if you want, let me explain to you very briefly how the program works. Let's say we received an Excel from a wholesaler. Let's open our Excels. I give an example to friends in our list coming from the wholesaler. By the way, there are people who know the Conair company. In fact, most of our friends in America will know Conair. Friends, one of my wholesalers received 1,500 such products. I have listed these 1,500 products here as an example for you, so it doesn't take too long. I reduced it to 150. I assume 150 products arrived. The only thing I want you to do in that Excel is just put the UPC and the price at the beginning and put a space. After that, you can delete this place. This part will not be of any use to us. The only important things for the program will be the first two columns. When we put these two UPCs at the beginning and then put the price next to them, I ask you to pay attention to one thing in particular. Here, I would like you to add a filter from the data or from this section. If our Excel is in Turkish, open the filter section and delete the spaces here. Because if you don't delete the spaces, or if there is something else, if the product sees a space here, it will think that it is the end of the list and do something directly. It will not analyze the rest of the list. We have now brought our Excel to this part. Then we get into our program, friends. When we click on Spread Site in our program, it says Choose File. It was as a sample file on the desktop. We choose from here. It says there are 149 products. I say next. I never touch these places. I loaded the product again. We have installed the product now. When we say run here, friends, you will see these 149 products here in a moment. Look, he put 149 products in line. Now he's doing a quick analysis. Look, he's doing the analysis. The number of products increased here. It decreases as you do it. When you finish analyzing 149 products, we will see the results here in the results section, and we will briefly talk about how we should read it. Let me mention something again here. Friends, in the settings section, I told you that what I have shown you here shows how you should configure it, as I told you on the website. See everything shown here. When you do it in your own program in the settings section, you will also have completed the configuration. If at this point you see that there is no one stuck or thinking that you have done something missing, you can write to us again in the comments, or write to me directly. I can help too. Yes, look, the list ends here. It analyzed 150 products for us in just 1 minute. Posted it here, guys. Since it would be very difficult to work from here, we are importing this directly into Excel, friends. We took it to Excel and called it a sample file on the desktop, the name of our file. Let's make an example file like this. Let's export this to Excel as the results. After completing this, we are done with the program. We're taking the program down, guys. Let's close this here. Look, the results are here. Let's open it right here. We are opening the sample file results, friends. Now I will directly show you the part that will be useful to us in Excel. Of course, these places are important, but we will work here. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. I open these 5 columns first. Now here I will ask you to sort the products twice from largest to smallest and filter the products. For example, I have listed it from top to bottom, now from biggest to smallest, as it says profit, from the one who helps the most to the one who helps the least. Then I'll get this from here, guys. I copied the 19th line from the left side. I open it on a new page. Now I open these places again on the new page. Now I sorted them by square. Now I will add a filter from the data here again. I am sorting from the largest to the smallest. Friends, when I list, look at me. I only have 5 sold products. Wife, etc. We'll show this. It launched the 2 most profitable products. But here, look, this is very important. After considering the profit, if the return of investment is very green here, look at them all one by one, so don't think like that. Monthly sales amount is 5 units. Then don't think there is no need to look at this. Here it will also give you the number of sellers. Look, there's that too in the future. But since we will get into the product soon, you will see it there too. Look, what it says here is total offer. It shows that it is FBA or merchant. As you know, we need to pay attention to the single ones. There are 3 sellers. 2 have 5 sellers. We will look at these products one by one. Let me start with the most profitable one. For example, look, I'm going to click on this product here now. When I click on this product, friends, let's open its name here and see. What is our product, friends? Republic of Tea Ginger. It is a product that is available in 50 units and costs us 0.93 and is sold for 13.31 in the buy box. I immediately check if the product is correct. The product has been opened. Yes, this product is a product from my wholesaler. It cost me 0.31 cents. I say 0.31. Sorry, let's see. 0.93. I apologize. Let's say $1. Here, you already know, friends, that you can make your own evaluations and say that the program will not necessarily be profitable. Sometimes the program can also be a thing. We will analyze certain things about this product twice. After doing our analysis here, friends, if it produces good profits, we will contact our wholesaler and buy this product. How did he come to us? It was $1. It's $1 or $2. Let's say shipping is $1. It comes to $2. See this product? $5.78 per product leaves us a profit. Of course, we will use Keeper. Of course, we will do our detailed analysis. When we gather, we will contact you and buy and sell this product. Look, Charlie brought out 5 products for me in just 3 minutes. I'm not saying these products are not Charlie, but there are 5 of them for sale. It's sold in small quantities, but look, there are seasonal colors here too. Friends, if you remember, I shot a video about these sales colors. Be sure to watch that video. In the beauty category, if you remember, I said it there. Maybe if it corresponds to 1, 3 or 5% in the beauty category. But if it is above that, you can make an elimination here by watching that video. You can even watch that video and then see what you should and shouldn't examine one by one. Look, he opened the second product. This is the product. Pack of 3 says it is sold for 13.46. Here, this reduced monthly sales a little bit. So, see, it's already showing here. This way, friends. You can examine the products one by one. Of course, what does this provide? Look at the product list we received. The product list was like this, right? He was whole. This program told us. Look at it with 1 or 2 filters. These are profitable. You don't even need to look at the others. Look, when we sort by square here, look at the current conditions. If you remember, this list was a list of 1,500 between the price my wholesaler gave me and the price on Amazon. Here is the result that will give us countless things. It shows you one by one which among 149 items is sweaty and which is not. You can do this without wasting time or manual effort. Thank you so much for listening. If you have questions or comments, you can write in the comments section. Once again, I wish you all good profits and good days. See you later.